Okay, so here is a quick demo just demonstrating how I create this banner using the Generative Fill in Photoshop Beta. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to get rid of all these layers. So I'll be effectively starting from a blank canvas. So what we're going to do, first of all, is I'm going to grab in an image. So I'm going to grab in the image that I was using for my bot. So I'm dragging that in. That's a bit bigger than I want at the moment, so I could keep it that as well, but I'm going to just actually make it bigger. I just want to have a bit more of the bot in there. Now I'm going to just position it wherever I want it. Now I know that I'm doing this for LinkedIn, and I know that my image is going to appear over this sort of left-hand side, so I don't want to have it too far over there. So yeah, I think let's have it just about there. Okay. Now here's where it gets cool. Now, I'm not used to any of the AI technology. What we're going to do, I'm going to go and highlight an area. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly overlap the edge. So I'm just going to highlight from sort of about there, and you see I'm slightly overlapping. I found that if I overlap, then it seems to work a little bit better. So once I've done that, you see I'll get a box appearing now. It's a Generative Fill. I'm going to type in. Okay, so we're going to type in blend in with image background and match to provide a consistent background. The more specific you're going to get with the prompt, the more it can help. If you get too much information in the prompt, also can be a problem. So try and keep it simple to start with, and then expand on the prompt as you go. Okay, that's kind of a bit. Yeah, see, that hasn't really worked out. Oh, that's not so bad. You see, we still got a seam here. So I'm going to go. Okay, I'm going to delete that one. I'm going to give it another go. So this time, less of an overlap. Still, I'm going to say we're going to blend in with image background. I'm actually going to, there's a name of the layer, click over here. So let's actually go colourful underscore bot layer and match background. Let's see what it does this time. I was experimenting, and I could just have played with this and found the exact thing and made it work, and but I thought it's helpful to actually see what's happening, and that's actually kind of cool. It's kind of added another robot in there. Actually, I quite like it. Look, another one there. That's quite good. Yeah, I quite like that one actually. So there we go. So this time we've got a nice background. And what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly the same thing for the other side. Oops. Let's just select again. We're just going to go up, and we're going to just select again with a bit of an overlap, and we're going to just highlight that section, and we're going to do say the same thing. If you remember what we. Oh, okay. It's saying there I can leave it blank. I haven't tried this. Let's just see what happens if we leave it blank. I could speed this up a little bit in the video. Yeah, I think I'll leave it as it is, just so you see that it's actually doesn't take very long at all. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's all right. Once we've got some variation again as well. We can do. Oh, it's kind of funky. I quite like that one as well. And you probably noticed that it looks a little bit different to the one I had done before. In fact, if I just bring up these, not that one. Let's bring those up there. Yeah, see, that was my original one. So you see that match because I've got different positions of the bot, but those are mine. So original ones, and these are these ones. But actually, this is really good. But you see that what happens when you're using AI, it's not always going to come up with the same thing. Now sometimes there are ways you can do that. If you can take the image it's got and you can ask it to say, okay, right, modify it, as we did as we could do that as well. But I think that works. Now what I can do is I'm going to stick my text. Now again, I'm going to do it a bit of a. I did this earlier because just for time, because you can create your own text and drop in your own images. Now you can see at the moment I can't really see what's going on, so I can't really see that really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove those for a minute. Yeah, now what I'm going to do, I want to darken the whole image. So one way I can do that is just as a demonstration. Is I will going to go to the layers and I will merge the visible layers. So that one's not going to touch the ones I've hidden, the text ones, so it will actually merge these other ones, which means they won't be editable afterwards. So I'm going to merge it now. I'm happy with the image. So now we've now got one image. See if that's just one image. Now what I can do is I can now go to Control L to go to levels. I can then actually adjust. Yeah, see, I can adjust the levels. So I don't want it to be more. So we're going to darken that down a bit, and then we're going to. I'm going to just go OK that, and then if I go and add in my text and my logos, then there you go. Now they're a little bit more visible. There you go. You have an AI generated LinkedIn banner, or banner for anything else. I mean, I use this, and without any adjustment, just moving it around, I was able to use it for Facebook as well. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, please, as always, please like, subscribe. Feel free to comment if there's anything else you want me to try out, any other software or anything else you'd like me to try out on Photoshop using this generative AI. Then yeah, please drop a comment and let me know, and we'll catch you on the next video.